Right, so quick video for a certain person. Right, hello dog. There's dog. Right, anyway, so these are the main power lines, and then these are the poles, ceramics. You don't get electric meters in the house, they're all here. And yeah, for whatever reason, Energy Pro, yeah. So yeah, that's basically it. And then you've got the wires which go up and then come across, right, and then hang on. Now this cable here isn't actually an electric cable. What that's for is for the internet. So we've got internet wires and electrical wires on the things, on the poles. Okay, and then this is the sort of thing, I mean, you can see how, I mean, I'm assuming they're bare wires. I have no fucking idea, but I mean, sort of like, there's the input anyway for the wiring into the house, which is right. So apparently, so we have these wall lights. Oh, that's pulsing nicely. Sockets. Typical light fitting. And then we can see here they use all the same wiring for absolutely everything. Not too sure how well that will show up. And then more sockets and more sockets. Right, and then we have typical light switch. Now here's the real interesting part. This is the cooker cable, which is no doubt appropriate for the dual oven cooker with fan. Okay, we have I have no idea what that's for. Yeah, no idea, but that's turned on. But anyway, as you can see, you know, they're using assuming that's some sort of twin and earth, but I mean, as you can see, yeah. Then we go down the stairs, sockets in really odd places. That's for the broadband. Another light. Right, so we have a fuse box on the top, and then when we come down here, we have these lights here. I think, right, let me just turn this on. These are perhaps the main feeder wires. We have that junction box, and then we have a downstairs fuse box. That's the state of the wiring. So as you can see, it's not all clipped and it's not all right. this could be a bit of a problem. Okay. Now, ideally you should have a light switch there, but this is your main light switch. And then we have 3 lights. Hang on, let's turn that off. Yeah, so we have 1, 2 and 3 lights. Right, what they've done to put the cabling in is that they put it in over the top there and put a little runner board on. I mean yeah, and then we have this. Now I have no idea what that is, but I ain't touching it, but that runs all the way along there. So as you can see, we've got these things here, these little runners, which aren't even in that well. We've got a screw there, we've got another screw at the end there. Now these are not cavity walls, these are 1/2 meter thick stone walls. Okay, and as you can see there, I mean, I'm hoping that you can see that, but we've got exposed electrics behind it. And then, yeah, so you can see the thickness of these walls, which is what most of these houses are built out of. These beams, I mean, sort of like you can see that they're all, you know, we've got some splitting and what have you. Adds character, I suppose. We've got these things as well. So yeah, this is where the water comes into the house. All the pipes are lagged and what have you, but again, whoops, as you can see there, we have more exposed electrics, so which is something that I want to avoid. Now, I mean, sort of like, you know, my idea would be to actually put a little wooden plate on there and actually screw them in properly, type thing. So then of course we have washing machine and what have you. Then we have 3-way plugs here, which again, occasionally sort of like they put a big keystone in, as you can see here. So yeah, that's basically it.